Hey guys, welcome back to FB4 Tutorials. So in this video, I am going to introduce you all a new editing application that is IVY. This is a great app which is very similar to Alight Motion. It is very user friendly and have many effects and functions almost same like Alight Motion. So if you are an AM user, I would say this is a must try app. So to begin with, let's check out the preview video. So now let's get into the tutorial. So first of all, you need to open the application and click on the plus button and select the ratio you want according to your preference. Then click the plus button and add the media you want to edit. Here I am selecting a video. Now you need to add the audio. That also you can add here itself. I am selecting an audio. Now you need to cut and shorten the video as you want. Now I'm showing the effects. Select the effects and add effect. Now here I'm selecting the effect pull edge and I'm adding a keyframes on the first and last of the video and I'm adjusting it as I need. You can adjust it as you need. As you can see, this is a very smooth and just see how perfect it comes. Now I'm adding a lens blur. That also I'm adding 2 keyframes and just adjust it. Now you can see how perfectly the result comes out. This application have many varieties of effects. You can add whichever effect you need. It also have the mark button there. I'm showing you the mark button. You can mark the timings of your videos and you can simply just add the next clips. So I'm adding a next clip. Just cut your video and shorten or lengthen it as you need. So for this video I'm adding the same effect here also, the pull edge, and adding the keyframes and I'm adjusting the progress. You can add different effects on different clips. Now I'm adding the same because that suits my song better. Now I'm adding a graph here. As you can see here, we have a lot of graphs. You can customize your own graphs. Now I'm adding a simple basic graph here and it turns out to be very smooth. And now I'm adding the directional blur effect. It is very easy to do. You just need to add the keyframes and adjust the intensity. And here I'm adding in the graph. It's a simple and basic graph. You can choose whichever graph you want. So this is how the transition turned out to be. Now I just copied the video and dragged it to the end of the second clip. As you can see here, you have an option called replace where you can replace another video and save your time without doing the same transition again and again. You can just copy it and replace with another clip and you can do the same step for the entire video. Now I'm adding another clip. See how easy it is? And that's it, you are done with your transition. Within just minutes, you can easily do transitions very quickly and save your time. Now you just need to export the video in the resolution and frame rate you want, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Okay, bye.